Hey devs, coders, and code-curious creators, welcome back to BlackSattai AI where we test the tools and tell you the truth. Today, we're diving into GitHub Copilot, the AI pair programmer that's changing how we write code. But is it just hype, or does it actually help? Let's break it down. What is GitHub Copilot? GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant built by GitHub plus OpenAI. It's trained on billions of lines of code from public repos, and it can predict your code, complete your functions, and help you write faster directly inside your code editor. It works with Versus Code, JetBrains, NeoVim, and even in the GitHub web editor. How to use Copilot: install the Copilot plugin in your IDE, Versus Code, etc. Sign in with GitHub, start writing a comment or a few lines of code. Copilot will auto-suggest completion. SIA can accept, tab, ignore, or cycle through suggestions. It even works with natural language prompts like create a login page using React or write a Python function to calculate ME. Boom. Done. Who should use it? Developers, front-end, back-end, full-stack students learning through examples, startup founders, MVP builders, freelancers, speed plus productivity tech creators build fast demos, or YouTube code content pros saves time on boilerplate and repetitive code, suggests code based on your context. Great for learning plus refactoring ideas. Supports many languages: Python, JS, TS, Go, Ruby, etc. Constantly improving with feedback. Cons: can suggest outdated or insecure code. Not always accurate, needs human review, requires GitHub account plus paid plan. After free trial, doesn't understand big picture project logic, data, and privacy. GitHub says your code is not used to retrain the model unless you opt in. But still, don't use Copilot on proprietary or private client code unless you're clear about licensing. BlackSattai Verdict: GitHub Copilot isn't magic, but it's legit helpful. It's not here to replace developers. It's here to save your time, give you direction, and act like a junior assistant that never sleeps. For solo coders, students, and speed-focused devs, it's worth trying. Another tool, another truth. This is BlackSattai AI.